today's video, I shall be showing you a skincare routine that I usually follow that helps my skin look healthy and glowing. And I promise you that this will work magic on your skin too. Just beautiful. Tip number 1. Always use gel products on your skin. If possible, use natural skincare products. They don't strip your skin of its natural oils and thus keeps your skin moisturized naturally. Tip number 2. Never sleep with makeup on your skin. If you are following the proper skincare routine daily, you anyways clean and moisturize your skin before going to bed. Don't break this habit if you want a blemish-free, glowing skin. Tip number 3. Drink a lot of water and keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. Well-hydrated skin gets far less blemishes. So guys, do let me know what kind of natural products suit your skin tone. I would love to hear from you guys, so do keep writing in. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet next, it's all about being